Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Blessing Joseph, and you are with Victoria Legal. Yes, I can be your favorite lawyer if you make me one. Okay, so today's video will be addressing inheritance when it has to do with a disease dying intestates. What I mean here is a disease dying without dropping a will. Yes, no will. Okay, it can happen anytime. Most times, persons do not plan their deaths. And again, even though as a lawyer I advise my clients, I advise everyone around me, create a will. You never can tell the time, the second, the moment, the day you would give up the ghost. So to prevent struggles, to prevent, the whole embarrassment that comes with dragging of properties of inheritance, to prevent such, it's advisable to drop a will, to make a will. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean you're dying soon. Yes, anyone can have a will, so far as you have things to protect and you do not want those belongings or your properties go into the wrong hands. You might have a wish for, like, okay, I have a let's say I have shares with so and so company, and I need those shares to go to my grandchild. Yes, and upon your demise, obviously it will go down to your children first before the grandchild or the grandchildren. So that is just it. In order to channel the properties to the rightful heirs, then you do so. You just create a will. So right now we'll be talking about dying without creating a will, and the purpose. What brought me down to this topic today is a trending issue on social media. The struggle between Phyna, that's the ex-BB Naija housemate, and the supposed cohabitant of her late sister. We all know about this issue of Dangote truck, a particular company, crushing her sister, and obviously that led to her demise. So right now the sister is late, and we're seeing things online like I've been sending my late sister money every monthly, whereby her cohabitant keeps saying, I've been taking care of the woman for like 3 years. Okay, let this person, that's Phyna, let her prove to me or send a particular payment receipt that showed she has been sending her sister money monthly. So we all know all those ones are just like a cover up, a mirage. You know, understand? The major thing, the nitty-gritty of this whole struggle is the inheritance, the compensation that comes with this whole deceased tag. You understand? What is in place? We all know. So let's not even dance around the bush, okay? It's the money, the compensation they are all fighting for here. So now it brings us to the issue: who will inherit that money? One, she's not married. Yes, my friend will call it, let's call it spade a spade. Let's call it a spade, okay? She's not married. Customarily, she's not married. That's a disease I'm referring to here. Customarily, she's not married. Based on the act, the marriage act, she's not married. Yes, she's a single woman. She's only cohabitating with her partner, whom she shares sexual advances with. So she's just cohabitating with the man. Doesn't necessarily make him her husband, because he hasn't paid her bride price, he hasn't married her under the act. So upon her demise right now, it is assumed she died intestate without a will to cover this compensation, which the both of them indirectly wants to drag. That's Phyna and her late sister's husband, her late sister's cohabitant wants to drag. Okay, so we all know this lady dropped 2 children. She has 2 children, the deceased. When you talk about inheritance right now, the chain of succession here, assuming she is married to this man, he can hit his chest. Yes, based on her demise, the property will go down to the that's the surviving spouse. If there is no surviving spouse, like in this case, it goes down to the children. No children can go down to the parents of the deceased. No parents can go down to the siblings. No siblings can go down to uncles, aunties, relatives, then enters cousins and all of that. That is the chain of succession. Yes. So in this scenario here, she is not married. She died intestate without leaving a will. So how will it be shared? How will it go? And she has 2 children, 2 surviving children. This compensation will go down to the children. But since they are not of age, I'm talking about based on section 49 of the administration of estate laws. I don't want to start quoting law here. I just want to break it down so everyone can just understand. So since the children are not of age, they are less than 18 years, they're minors, the property will go in trust to the parents of the deceased. Now, the parents of the deceased, if they are not alive or there is no surviving parents, it can now go to the siblings. That is where Phyna will come in. So for the cohabitants, it's a no, only if the law wants to favor you. I don't know how you want to do it. You understand? So please, I think I will follow this matter up very well in case it gets to the court. Then come back and give you the feedback. I'll come back and give you the feedback. So please stay tuned for more information, more educative information like this. If you're yet to subscribe. If you're yet to like, give it a thumbs up, share to your loved ones. But before leaving, just note that this whole distribution, sharing of properties, it differs based on jurisdiction. Assuming he has wedded her customarily, this will be based on the custom that is applicable in that jurisdiction. That's where she originates from, or where she's married to, depending what custom is applicable. You understand? So if you're an Igbo man, you know it favors more of the male heirs and all of that. Igbo woman and all of that, it just goes down. Even they will tell you some places, children of the woman, that's female children inherits the woman's property, and all of everything depends on the custom. Even other jurisdictions like in UK, in US, America, you talk about immovable properties and movable properties. That is even how it's being shared. You look at whether the property is movable or whether it's not movable. I don't want to go down to that, so let's just end it here. Okay, please, if you have contrary view to all what I've said in this video, please drop a comment. If you have more things to enlighten us, please drop a comment. Let's get enlightened. That is the purpose of this video, to educate, for us to get enlightened. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed, because I'm watching you. I'm watching you. So subscribe to everyone that you know. Thank you. Gracias. See you again in another video. Stay tuned.